Hey guys, before the video begins, I just want to add a quick disclaimer and reality check. So, going into this video, I was trying to experiment a bit. Texture and color-wise, the treats turned out perfectly. Flavor-wise, they left something to be desired. Unfortunately, the cats didn't touch them, even after I coated them in catnip. Oops. My aim for this month's recipe was to make a treat that everyone could enjoy together, human and pet alike. And in the process, I managed to make something so bland that no one likes it. If you'd like to try out this recipe, please do so at your own risk, as your pet may have similar disinterest. It's a good recipe base, I think, for something better. So if you modify it in any way that your pet actually does enjoy, please let me know and I'll be sure to tweak my own recipe accordingly. That being said, please do make sure to research what people foods are okay for your pet to have before diving in. I'm keeping this video because I think documenting my mistakes is an important part of personal growth, and it will serve in the future as a reminder of my progress. I'll be tinkering with it for a while and hope to post up an improved version of it in the future. This recipe was made in part to celebrate the oncoming of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Animal Crossing is one of my personal favorite video game IPs in existence, and I'm really excited for this new game. All that being said, I hope you enjoy the video and that it gives you a little laugh knowing that literally no one in my house enjoyed the end result. No. Shoot. Oh, we're out of cat treats. They're gonna be so mad at me. What am I gonna do? Play some pocket camp. Take my mind off things. Wait a second. I have an idea. So, we're all out of cat treats, like I said. But playing Pocket Camp gave me a good idea. I think that today, in the Practical Escapist kitchen, instead of making something for people to eat, we're going to make cat treats. We're going to make golden treats inspired by Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Take a plain old bowl and put a cup of pumpkin puree into it. Very important to use pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. And take a half cup of applesauce and add it to the mix. Then take a whole black banana and mash it up in there. Mix together until the mixture is nice and smooth like this. Add 3 cups of brown rice flour and mix to combine. Once your dough has reached a consistency that it looks like it could be rolled out, it's time to do just that. Take some flour and lightly flour a surface. Place your dough down and get ready to roll. At this point, your dough should be rolling out nicely, but if it needs a little help, add a little extra flour to the top and to your pin. Now comes the fun part where you get to take your little cookie cutters and whatnot and cut them into cute and fine little shapes. Whichever shapes you like best are fine. Here we've got little stars, fish, and hearts. But you can use whatever shapes you like. Have fun with it. This process can get a little bit tedious, so this is a great opportunity to put on your favorite Twitch streamer. If you want a suggestion, I can give you one. Just let me know. Once you have all your shapes cut out, you can arrange them on a baking sheet with parchment paper on it. You don't have to worry about spacing them too far apart because they're not going to go anywhere while they bake. Place them in your preheated oven for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, take them out of the oven, flip them over, and put them in for an additional 5. Once the 5 minutes is up, your golden treats should come out looking like this. A nice golden color and nice and hard as well. Make sure to cool them completely before giving them to your pets. And of course, to make them even more true to form, feel free to put them in a cute little golden tin. With that, that's for you, buddy. How is it? You like it? Mystery. Or Pansy. Here, Mystery. Treat. Pansy. Wanna try one? The good news is, if your cats don't like them, then you can still eat them. They're a little bit bland for humans, but slap some peanut butter on it and they'll be pretty good. Thanks for joining me this evening. See you next time. Look into the sky and just think about what an idiot you are. Hide your wires. And hearts. But you can use whatever. And hearts. What? And hearts. And hearts. But after 7 minutes, why are you loud though? Okay, that was weird. And ignore the crazy people screaming at each other from the other side of the road. Good God. Why did I use this camera? I should have used the other one. I hate myself right now. I hate everything.